not an array, and the question is saying we need to sort it in order in nlogn time complexity. So I will go for merge sort, since the best and worst case of merge sort is nlogn. So let's understand nlogn. Okay, so I have an array. I will take an array 5 2 3 1. Let me give index to it 0 1 2 3. So I will divide this array into two halves. Okay, so first of all I will find the mid. 0 plus 3 by 2, so mid is 1. So first array I will divide with from 0 to mid, and the second array will from mid plus 1 to n. So this array will be 5 2, and the second array will have 3 and 1. Okay, so this array will be given to recursion. Okay, so then again this array will be divided 5 and 2, and this array also will be divided to 3 and 1. Okay, so recursion will happen, and at last the array will have only one element. An array with one element is always sorted. So now from here onwards we will merge these arrays. So I will create an answer array of size 2, and size of this plus size of this. I will give index to it 0 1. Its index is 0, its index is 0. I will create 3 pointers I, j, and for this I will keep k pointer. Okay, now I will do comparison. Is 5 is less than 2? No. So I will place 2 here and move the j pointer and move the k pointer. Okay, now the leftover, there is a leftover in this this array. So I will keep this 5 in the array, do I plus plus and k plus plus. So this array is sorted. Okay, now for this also I will do the same thing. Let me take different color. So I will create an answer array. Okay, I will put k here, index is 0 1. For this it is index 0 and 1. Now I will put I here and I will put j here. Now is 3 is less than 1? No. So I will put 1 here, increase the j pointer, move the j pointer and move the k pointer. Now the leftover is 3 in first array. So I will put 3 here and increase the I pointer, increase the k pointer. Okay, now this array is also sorted. So when this array become half, so the answer, so after merging this, it will return this array to here, this array will come to here, and this array will be returned here. Okay, so after merging, so I got merged array 2 5, and here I got merged array 3 and 1. Okay, let me give index to it 0 1 0 1. So here also I will create a answer array of size 4, 0 1 2 3. I will put 3 pointers, I for this, j for this and k for this, and I will start comparing. So is 2 is less than 3? Yes, 2 is less than 3. So I will put 2 here, increase the I pointer and increase the k pointer. Okay, now is 5 is less than 3? No. So I will put 3 here and increase the okay, I have did something wrong. It's after sorting, this array is 1 3, this array is 1 and 3, and we have 0 and 1. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, so here the pointers are I and j is here. Okay, so now I will compare again. 2 is less than 5. Is 2 is less than is 2 is less than 1? No. So I will put 1 here and increase the j pointer, and I will increase the k pointer as well. Okay, now is 2 is less than 3? I will take a different color. Is 2 is less than 3? Yes. So I will put 2 here and increase the I pointer and increase the k pointer as well. Okay, now is 5 is less than 3? No. So I will put 3 here, increase the j pointer and increase the k pointer here. Now j got out of array, so the leftover is 5. So I will put 5 here and increase the I pointer and increase the k pointers. So this way the array is sorted now. So this is our answer. So now let's code it. So int n, I will take the length of it. Okay, now I will create a method merge sort, and I will pass the array. The start will be 0, the end will be n minus 1. Now I will create this method private int merge sort nums int start int end. So if array is containing only one element, then s will become equal to e. In that case, I will create a answer array with one length. Then I will put the that element s, and then I will return it. Now I will find the mid. So s plus e by 2. Then I will make it half and do 2 recursion calls. So that will be a left subtree, we can say it. So we will do merge sort nums, then start mid, then right subtree will be merge sort nums mid plus 1 and end and e. So this is the first half and this is the second half. Okay, so when both halves will be sorted separately, then we need to merge it. So we need to merge it. So LST and RST. So I need to merge these two sorted arrays. So private int merge int array LST int array RST. Now I will find the length of it, int LST int n equal to LST dot length and int m equal to RST dot length. And I will create answer array as well. New int n plus m. Then I will create 3 pointers, int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0 and int k equal to 0. And then I will merge these two sorted arrays. So if I is less than n and j is less than m, if LST of I is less than equal to RST of j, then in the answer array we will take from the left LST from the first half, LST of I. I will do I plus plus. If LST is smaller, then it will come to else part. Then in the answer array I will take from the second half, RST of j. Now I will do j plus plus, and at the end I will do k plus plus also. And if elements are left in the first half or in the second half, we need to take those elements as well. So if I is less than n, so I will take LST of I will do I plus plus and k plus plus, and there are leftover, and if there are leftover in the second half, j is less than n, so I will take from there RST of j plus plus and k plus plus, and then finally I will return the answer array. So let's run it and check. So we got some runtime error. So here it will be m. The length of the second half is m. Now let's run it again. So it's accepted. So let's submit it as well. So it got submitted. Now let's understand the time and space complexity. Let me share the screen again. Yeah, so let's understand the time and space complexity. Suppose the length of the array is 8. So always we are dividing into two halves. So it will divide it into 4, first half and the second half with 4 element. And the similarly for this array, the first half will have 2 elements, the second half will have 2 elements. Similarly for this also, the first half will have 2 elements, second half will have 2 elements. Similarly for 2, first half will have only 1 element, second half will have only 1 element. Similarly for all these arrays. So now here, this is the 0th level, this is the first level, this is the second level, and this is the third level. So the height of this tree is 3. Okay, and we have n elements. So if we are finding log of n or log of 8, so what we are getting? 3. So the height of the tree is log n, and for at every level, so height of the tree is log n, and at every level we are merging n elements. So the time complexity will become n into log n. So time complexity is n log n. And what is the space complexity? So we are taking stack space of log n. Okay, and for the answer array we are taking answer array size is n, and since log n is very small as with compared to n, so the space complexity is order of n only. So now the time complexity is order of n log n, and space complexity is order of n. I hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching.